Waking up at a new place with a different horizon, peaceful surroundings, and beautiful mountain views breathe new life into my mornings.
건성에 돼요.
त्यो
यो बिचबाट देख्दैछ
ऊ त्यही त्यो बिचमा
बिचबाट लागेको
म यता भन्दैछु फेरि सकै देखेको है
Every year during autumn, Temi Tea Garden in South Sikkim transforms itself into a pink paradise with the blooming of cherry trees. The vibrant pink cherry blossom amidst the green tea bushes with the backdrop of snow-clad mountain peaks is a visual delight. Walking along the blooming trail, we reached a village called Bagdogra Gaon. The simplicity of village life, murmur of daily chores, children's laughter, and the rhythmic sound of rural activity was a refreshing experience. The cherry trees at Timi produce mostly pink flowers that bloom briefly each autumn from late October to mid-November. Our morning walk concluded at a peaceful veranda overlooking the tea garden with comforting warmth of tea cups in our hands. After breakfast at the guest house, we decided to explore the adjacent Temi Tea Factory. Visit to the factory could be an eye-opener for those wanting to know more about tea processing methods. Basically, the process of tea production starts with plucking of fresh leaves, which then undergo a sequence of steps, that is, withering to reduce moisture, rolling to release essential oils, oxidation for flavor development, and drying. It is then sorted and grated for packaging. Thus, different types of tea is produced from the same tea bush. Temi Tea Garden was established in the year 1969 by the erstwhile king Palden Thendup Namgyal. It is the only tea garden in the state of Sikkim, and the tea produced here is considered one of the best in India. It was time now to bid adieu to the guest room and explore more of Timi Tea Estate.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Driving on the road with the tea garden lined with beautiful cherry blossom and pine trees was an incredible scenic experience.
In front of us, if we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there.
Witnessing the magical, vibrant floral wonderland in Timi that day was a full sensory experience.
I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
Combination of the visual spectacle of the pink blooms, greenery of the tea gardens, and the magnificent view of the mighty mountain peaks was a truly remarkable experience that will stay with me forever. So that's it for today, guys, and until the next one, bye.